What's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you're all doing great. And in this episode I'm going to review one of the best fragrance from my collection, and here I'm talking about Sultan Vetiver from the house of Nishane. Sultan Vetiver was my first purchase from this house, and it just took a single sniff to drive me crazy about this perfume and about this house. And after this purchase I bought around 5 more from this house. The composition of the scent, the quality of the scent, the blending, the creativity is all top notch. Absolute class. This perfume was recommended to me by a very dear friend, a fellow YouTuber, fragrance reviewer, Jamil Bhai. He got his own YouTube channel where he reviews fragrances like me. I will put the link of his channel in the description box. Please do visit his channel and you will find amazing stuff there. So Sultan Vetiver, I can say, is the best vetiver based fragrance I have ever smelled, or I can say the best vetiver based fragrance I have smelled until now. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation. Go have a look at the presentation, then come back and we will discuss about the fragrance. Welcome back, and I hope you like the presentation. And you have already seen the box and the bottle in the previous clip, so I'm going to skip the box here because it was pretty much clear in the previous video. But I would like to say something about the bottle. The bottle here, design wise, is very simple yet very elegant and very classy. Especially I would like to draw your attention towards the cap, and the cap here is made of metal and it's very heavy, and you will find this beautiful branding on the top of this cap. And the atomizer is also very good, and the scent is heaven. So this was about the presentation, and now let's start our review about the fragrance. And as always we will try with the notes breakdown. So here in the top you will get Java vetiver oil, anise, bergamot and pepper. And then in the middle notes you will get bourbon vetiver, Haitian vetiver, neroli and tonka beans. And then in the base you will get vetiver, leather and amber. So this was the notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you how this fragrance actually smells. It opens with a lot of vetiver. As you can see in the notes breakdown, there are different kind of vetivers from top to bottom. So you will find a beautiful blend of vetiver with a very bright neroli, a touch of bergamot and some pepperiness. And then it took around 10 to 15 minutes for anise to jump in. But anise always stays quiet. It never scream out, it never shout, it always stays in the back. And anise is used with a very perfect and right balance here. Anise is a very complex note, at least for us people from Asia, and especially from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, because if the note of anise crosses a certain level, it starts to give us that pan kind of feel. You people can just search pan, P-A-A-N, pan on Google, and you will see that this is a special sweet delicacy in our countries. So as soon as anise gets stronger, it starts to give us that pan kind of feel. But here the level is perfect, really perfect. In the beginning you will find very strong booziness, spirit kind of vibe, and you will also get some mentholic kind of nuances here. It's not menthol, but it's going to give you that mentholic, that Vicks kind of feel, that strong boozy mentholic feel. This is a warm, dark, deep, damp and peppery scent, and this is a very dynamic scent, and it's going to change a lot. And in next 20 to 30 minutes, the most interesting phase of this perfume starts when tonka bean begins to swirl around other notes. The more it moves towards its dry down, the more warm, woody, dense and sweet it becomes. I can also smell old damp woods here, and amber is not very much detectable in this phase, but later on it will take the stage with leather in the total dry down. So it starts with very strong green and a little bit earthy vetiver with bright neroli, and then it ends on warm, deep, sweet tonka and woody base. This is really a very unique, very creative and high quality scent, a true niche fragrance. So all of you guys who like vetiver based perfumes, fragrances, they must give it a try, and I'm sure you're going to like it. The way they have used vetiver here is amazing, truly a masterpiece. So this was about the fragrance of Sultan Vetiver from the house of Nishane, and now let's talk about performance. So performance wise, this is 20 out of 10. It's amazingly good, very long lasting. You can easily smell it on your dress for the next 2 days, on your skin. On my skin at least, it lasts for around 8 to 10 hours easily, and even after washing my hand 2 to 3 times, I was still able to smell it. So performance wise, it's a beast. Projection is very strong for first 3 to 4 hours, and sillage is amazing. Wherever you will move, you will leave a scent trail behind you. So performance is not an issue here. And now let's talk about gender. So for the gender, Nishane have marketed this perfume as a unisex scent, but in my opinion, this is a true masculine scent. And for the age group, I can say this will work better with a little bit mature people. It will not work very well with young people. So if you are 25, 28 years plus, you can rock it. And now let's talk about the weather or the season. I can use it all year round easily without any issue. Yeah, I can use it all year round without any issue. But in winters, this perfume can do magic for you. And now let's talk about occasion. So this is a very rich, sophisticated, decent, exotic, deep, dense and mysterious kind of scent. So it's up to you what kind of situation you are going to choose to use this fragrance. For me, I'm going to keep it for very special occasions, weddings, dates or some birthdays or very high class meetings, something very special. I'm not going to use this perfume on a daily basis because this is something really good. And now let's come to the main point, which is price. So this perfume comes in 2 sizes. There is a 100 ml bottle and a 50 ml bottle. This is a 50 ml bottle, and the price for this 50 ml bottle with extrait de parfum concentration, the price here in UAE is not a fixed price, as companies are selling it from 350 to 450, and if you will try to buy it from their own website, it will cost you a little bit more. I have paid for this perfume around 360 dirhams for 50 ml extrait de parfum concentration, and it really worth it. It really worth each and every penny I have spent on this perfume. So this was about Sultan Vetiver from the house of Nishane. I hope you like this review, and guys, if you can afford and if you can get a chance to try this perfume, please do try it. And this is really a stellar. You will be surprised with the quality, with the creativity, with the composition, with each and everything, a true niche scent. So this was about Sultan Vetiver. I hope you like this review. Until the next video, take care and bye.